At Home Inspection Carolina, we often get asked a variety of questions during the initial contact with a client that wants their home inspected. So, here it is.
Top question number 9.
How much will it cost to fix? Well, this is really a great question, but in most cases, it's actually impossible to answer and could be grossly inaccurate. The variables are extensive in this situation. Who are you going to hire to do the repairs? Are you going to hire the best and most expensive and most qualified person? Or are you going to use Billy Bob from down the road? What materials are you going to use? Are you going to do it yourself? In this situation, the cost of the materials will need to be factored in, along with asking yourself, is this something I can do or at least learn to do? Please, call us now or visit our website to get a free and accurate quote or even book your inspection directly. To view our other most often asked questions, please visit our easy-to-use website and guide yourself to our frequently asked questions page. And of course, we include Recall Check for Life as part of a home inspection at no extra cost, and our other warranties that you can upgrade and extend as you see fit.